Hey there, fellow traders and crypto enthusiasts in the UK. Get ready because Bitget is back with an exclusive event that's going to blow your mind. And today, we're diving into Bitget's Kcgi Elite Trader Recruitment event. Let's jump right into the highlights and what makes this event so special. Massive rewards. We're offering up to £35,000 in exclusive rewards. That's right, folks, £35,000 just waiting to be claimed. No lockup requirements. Unlike other platforms, there are absolutely no lockup requirements during this promotion. Your funds remain accessible. Generous profit sharing. Enjoy a fantastic 6% profit sharing ratio for a whole month. Your success is our success. Easy application. Joining is a breeze. Just hit that Apply Now button, provide your details, and we'll take care of the rest. If you're selected, you'll hear from us soon. And guess what? The excitement doesn't stop there. Once you become an elite trader, both you and your followers can enjoy some special rewards. It's a win-win for everyone. Want to know how to grab these incredible rewards? Let's look at the exciting activities you can participate in. Activity 1. Get in on the Kcgi Futures Copy Trading Competition. And if you're a UK team captain and form a team with at least 10 users during the Kcgi registration period, you'll be in for some cool rewards. Everyone loves sunshine rewards, right? Well, if you join a Kcgi Futures Copy Trading team, you'll pocket some extra cash. It's like getting a bonus just for participating. Activity 2. If you're a new or existing futures elite trader, here's your chance to shine. The elite trader with the highest total trading volume during the Kcgi period gets 2x Rugby World Cup 2023 tickets for the quarterfinal match. A whopping £1,000 sterling in cash. In a nutshell, the Kcgi Futures Copy Trading registration period is from September 1st to September 15th, and the competition runs from September 15th to September 30th. It's going to be an action-packed month of opportunities. Ready to dive in and become one of Bitget's elite traders? It's simple. Head over to Bitget and join as an elite trader. And don't worry if you're new to all of this, we've got a tutorial on selecting a trader on Bitget Copy Trade to make things smooth and easy for you. That's a wrap on our exciting announcement today. Don't miss out on the chance to become one of Bitget's elite traders and unlock up to £35,000 in exclusive rewards. Apply now, join the Kcgi competition, and let's ride the crypto wave together. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on Bitget.